Types of servers explained. File, web, mail, database. Description. In today's digital world, servers are the backbone of how we store, access, and manage data. Whether you're browsing a website, sending an email, or accessing a shared folder at work, a server is working silently in the background to make that possible. But did you know there are different types of servers, each serving a unique purpose? In this guide, we'll break down 4 of the most essential server types: file server, web server, mail server, and database server. 1. File server. A file server is a centralized storage system that enables users to store, manage, and share files across a network. It's widely used in offices and organizations where teams need access to common documents or project files. File servers enhance collaboration and simplify data backup. They can be set up with access permissions, ensuring sensitive data is only accessible to authorized users. Use case. Shared folders in a company where employees access HR documents, reports, or training videos. 2. Web server. A web server is responsible for delivering web pages to users over the internet or an intranet. When you enter a URL in your browser, your request goes to a web server, which fetches the requested page and displays it in your browser. Apache, Nginx, and Microsoft IIS are some of the most popular web server software. Use case. Hosting websites, web applications, and blogs like WordPress. 3. Mail server. A mail server handles the sending, receiving, and storage of emails. When you send an email, it passes through your mail server to the recipient's mail server. Mail servers work using protocols like SMTP for sending and IMAP/POP3 for receiving. Without mail servers, email communication would be impossible. Use case. Corporate email systems like Outlook, Gmail for business, and custom domain emails. 4. Database server. A database server manages databases and handles requests to access, update, or manage data stored in a structured format. These servers are the foundation for any data-driven application, such as e-commerce platforms, CRM systems, and business analytics tools. Examples include MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, and Oracle. Use case. Managing customer data, inventory systems, and user login information for web applications.